If you're interested in fridge water filtration, you have good taste. Refrigerator water filters are the most popular at-home filtration option, shortly followed by pitcher filters. Getting clean filtered water is one thing, but when that water is also refrigerator cool, you're winning. Fridge filters appear to be one of the most abundantly available filtration devices on the market. That's great, because it means you have lots of choices, but my research quickly highlighted that at least half of these filters aren't worth your money. There are many products available for choosing refrigerator water filters, each with different features, benefits and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I've done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best refrigerator water filters from reputable brands. After a lot of research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, don't forget to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Inline water filter for refrigerator, boasting an easy 5-minute installation. All you have to do is disconnect your fridge's existing inlet and outlet water lines, and connect them up to either end of the filter. That's it. Unlike the majority of other refrigerator filters that only improve water's taste and smell, this filter is capable of reducing 230 different contaminants including fluoride, lead, PFAS, chemicals, and more, providing truly purified clean water directly from your fridge and ice maker. Because all you are doing is connecting to your water lines, you should actually be able to maintain your refrigerator's warranty, something that is often overlooked and voided. If off-brand filters are installed in the fridge itself, finally, the unit itself is covered by a lifetime warranty. In case you experience any issues, you can get it replaced free of charge. Number 2. GE RPWFE Refrigerator Water Filter. The GE Fridge Water Filter can be used in any selected GE French door refrigerator that is compatible with GE RPWFE or RPFW filters. Tested and certified to NSF standards to remove a range of contaminants, including chlorine, cysts, PFOA, lead, some pharmaceuticals, and PFOS, this filter is one of the better performing fridge filters in the market. Replacing a GE fridge filter is quick and simple, and you don't need to use tools or turn off the water for the job. The manufacturer recommends that you change the filter after 6 months or 300 gallons of use, which is standard for the majority of fridge water filters. In most fridges, there is an inside slot that the Number 3. EveryDrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter. You can use the EveryDrop in side-by-side refrigerator units, as well as those with top freezers and bottom freezers. It's wise to enter your refrigerator's model number on Amazon to make sure the filter fits before you buy it. The EveryDrop comes in a single pack of 1, and the manufacturer recommends replacing the filter once every 6 months to ensure you continue to enjoy the cleanest water from your fridge. The filter is particularly special in that it has been approved by big brands including Whirlpool, Maytag, and KitchenAid, which no other non-affiliated filter has. Installation of the EveryDrop varies slightly depending on the model of refrigerator you have. In most fridges, there is a small opening in the inside of the door for you to slot the filter in. You can find instructions in your refrigerator's owner manual or on YouTube. There is plenty of help out there. In any case, installation is simple enough to do yourself in a 5-minute job. You don't need to hire a plumber to do it for you. Number 4. iSpear UKF 8001 replacement for Whirlpool filter compatible with Whirlpool, EveryDrop, and Maytag appliances, plus several more. The iSpear is a refrigerator filter that works just as well as the big brand refrigerator water filters for a fraction of the price. If you need proof, this system is tested and certified with NSF for standard 42, for reduction of chlorine taste and odor, as well as standard 372, for guaranteed lead-free construction. The iSpear fridge filter is also BPA-free and made from food-grade materials, so it won't put any bad stuff into your water during the filtration process. Installing or replacing the filter is just a matter of clicking the filter into the appropriate slot inside your refrigerator, twisting it to lock it in place, and closing the filter cover to keep it protected. The lifespan of the iSpear is about 6 months, and your refrigerator will remind you when you need a new one. If you are looking for a cost-effective refrigerator filtration solution, the iSpear filters are a great option. They are not the cheapest, but they can help you to save cash on repeat filter purchases. Number 5. Refrigerator Water Filter 9083 Genuine Water Filter. HChemWare filter is NSF certified for standards 42, 53, and 401, for reduction of chlorine taste and odor, lead and other metals, and emerging compounds, including estrin, DEET, ibuprofen, naproxen and pio. Can check online that the filter fits your fridge model before purchasing. The manufacturer advises replacing the filter every 6 months, which is about the average lifespan of any refrigerator water filter, or replacing it sooner if there is a noticeable drop in water pressure. There are videos online that provide information on how to change the filter, but the process, from my end, I make daily helpful videos, so if you need more information, subscribe my channel, or if you want to know product price, check my details for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products. Your life is much easier will make.